Okay, I'm going to show you how to log in to ClassLink in Google Classroom from a iPhone. This is an Apple iPhone screen. I'm going to click on the Safari button and go to polkschoolsfl.com. From here, you're going to click on these three buttons and choose Student, then ClassLink. When you get here, you're going to click Viewing on an iPad. This is more of the device login. Okay, at this point, you're going to put in your child's username and password, just the username and password. Now, I'm putting in my own child, so please do not use my child's login information, but their passwords are case sensitive. So you're going to need to use capital letters if they have those in that. You're going to click the light blue sign in button. It'll bring you to the Polk County Public Schools desktop. This is where most of the apps your child will use are. So Freckles, Smarty Ants, STEM Scopes, a lot of the apps they will use here. Unfortunately, the Google Classroom, you're going to need to open up a new window by pressing these button on the bottom right. And you're going to hit the plus sign to open a new browser window. From here, you're going to go to google.com. Okay, and sorry about that. You're going to click sign in. Now, this is where you may have other Google accounts, but if you haven't logged in yet to your child's, you're going to click use another account or create an account. This is where you're going to put your child's username, but add the @mypolkschools.net after it. So your username @mypolkschools.net. You're going to click next. That's going to bring you to My Polk Apps. You're going to have to log in again with their username and password. This time, just the username and password. You don't need to add on the @mypolkschools.net. So username and password, sign in. And you're going to notice, now my son, I had added a picture to his account, but you're going to notice it will have your child's letter up here to the top right in a circle. The the button with the 9 dots is where you're going to find the Google apps that your child's teacher will be using. They could possibly be using Docs and Meet, which you would need to download those apps from the App Store. But Google Classroom is here. You do not need to download that app unless you would like to. I would suggest it. It seems a little easier to have the app. So this is what you will see. Obviously not the same exact classrooms as my child, but most of them, if your teacher has already invited you, you will just click the join button to log into the classroom. Sorry about that. Then you can click inside the class. The stream is sort of like a chat that your child's teacher may hold each day. The middle button at the bottom is classwork. This is where you're going to find all your child's assignments posted. Okay? From here on, please ask your child's teacher if you have any questions about navigating from here on out. Thank you very much.